everybody, thanks for joining me. I'm coming to you from the Alligator Farm in Saint Augustine, Florida. And I've got all my cameras. You think, oh, I'm going to photograph alligators. No, I'm here for the birds. You can probably hear them behind me. They're all over the place. They just kind of naturally came here and made this an amazing rookery. And because of the platforms over the swamps where the alligators are, they feel really safe. So you can get these birds, herons and egrets, etc., right next to you, and they'll just look at you and let you take their picture. So let's go do that. So the Alligator Farm here in Saint Augustine is my favorite place to photograph birds because they're all over the place. Now I'm shooting long lenses so I can get closer, but if you look right behind me, there's a bird right here. Let me come back over here. There it is right there. Hi. You see the bird right there? I mean, so you're this close to them if you want to be, and they're just used to you. Oh, was there something I said? Okay. But how cool is this? You just get to get real up close and personal, get portraits. If you want to get them in flight, you can do that. Greatest place ever for birds. They're just sitting there waiting for you. So if you've ever come down to Saint Augustine, Florida, this is a must stop just to see the alligators and all these amazing birds. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.